Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kushwaha from Mumbai. Today we shall learn about simultaneous equations, and that is part 1 because in part 2 we'll do word problems. Okay, so whenever we start any topic, the children are eager to know why do we learn this topic. So before we start this topic, okay, this is the mission of Kushwaha's Free Online Academy to promote equality. All are working under one roof. All children are having equality, all are equal to me, and just to live in harmony, helping each other. So the uses of simultaneous equations, we use them in solving everyday problems in mathematics, physics, engineering and other fields. We find better deal if we are renting something or comparing two companies. We can decide on loan, which interest rate, etc. Find cost and demand, find price of quantities of the commodity, find speed, distance and time, age based sums, number based sums. So many problems we can solve. It is used in arithmetic, algebra as well as in geometry. Very interesting topic, very useful topic. So there are various methods of solving simultaneous equation. We'll be doing the selective one. This video is for 8th, 9th, 10th grade because some boards have this topic in 10th grade, some are having 8th and 9th. So I'm just trying to make it common for all, though this video is for grade 9th. Solve this equation, any 7th, 8th grade child can also do. This is elimination method. In elimination method we can eliminate any one. So these are two equations. If we add them, y will get cancelled. So we'll get 2x is 22, x equal to 22 upon 2, x comes 11. On adding we don't change the sign, on subtracting we change the sign, then the sum will come. I'll explain again. Now whenever you get one value, substitute this x is equal to 1 in any one equation. So I am substituting in equation 1. So I get 11 plus y equal to 10. So y comes 10 minus 11, y is minus 1. You can check your answer for your satisfaction. If you don't have that much time, then you can leave it. Some children, they have a habit of checking. So x plus y is 10. So left hand side is x plus y. So 11 minus 1, which comes 10. So it's correct. When we come for next question, 9x minus 2y is 13, 7x minus 3y is 0. This is 0 here. Elimination, so we can eliminate anyone. Eliminating x will be little big. 9 and 7, the LCM is 9 7 is 63. So here 2 and 3 is easy. So you multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 3. So first is by 3, second by 2, sorry. So multiplying equation 1 by 3, so we get 27x minus 6y is 39, 13 3s are. And when we double it, multiplying by 2 will be double it. So 14x minus 6y is 0. When you subtract, I was telling this before. So you have to change the sign. So positive will become negative, negative will become positive. So 27 minus 14 is 13 and 39 comes here, y gets cancelled. So x is 39 upon 13, which gives you 3. We got one value. Whenever we get one value, you can substitute this in equation, any one of the equation, any one of the equations whichever you find convenient. So from equation 1, 9 into 3 because it is 9x minus 2y is 13. So 27 minus 13 is 2y, 2y is 14, y is 14 upon 2. We got answer, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 7. When we go further, this is, I call it Asas method. Whenever these coefficients are going in, they get exchanged. 65x, 33y. Here 33x, 65y. Generally such questions, I made this simpler for you. Asas means addition, subtraction, addition, substitution. So first we add these equations. So when we add this equation 1 and 2, on adding I get the answer. I get the answer 98x plus 98 minus 98y equal to 98. So this is common. So we can divide the equation by 98. Generally in such questions we get the same coefficient or the multiple of any one coefficient. So it is when we divide by 98 we get x minus y is 1. Generally we get the equations x plus y is equal to x minus y equal to. So I got this equation 3 on addition. Now I'll subtract 2 from 1. So on subtraction I get 32x plus 32y is 96. So 32 is like common. So we can divide the equation by 32. So when we divide the equation by 32, we get x plus y equal to 3. So we have to divide this equation by 32. So I am dividing it by 32. So my answer comes x plus y equal to 3. Now x plus y equal to 3, x minus y equal to 1. On adding we can solve it because they are having opposite sign. If any variable is having opposite sign, means variables are having opposite sign, we can add. If they have same sign, we should subtract. So 2x equal to 4, x is equal to 4 upon 2. We got one value, and from equation 3 or 4, any one you can apply. So 3 is x minus y is equal to 1. So 2 minus y equal to 1, y equal to 2 minus 1. Y I shifted here, 1 I brought this side, y equal to 1. You can check your answer for your satisfaction. When we come here, 3x minus 4y is 10, 4x plus 3y is 5. Though here also the coefficient are exchanged, but this can be done simply by multiplying. You can eliminate y here, multiply this equation by 3, this equation 2 by 4. So we make y coefficient same. So now on addition, 25x is 50 because this will get cancelled. This equation will get cancelled. So you can cancel this y, you can cancel. So you get your answer x is equal to 2. Now you can substitute this x is equal to 2 in an equation. So from equation 1, 3x minus 4y, so 3 into 2 minus 4y is 10. So 4y equal to 6 minus 10, y equal to minus 4 upon 4, y is equal to 1. So we got answer x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. You can check. 3a, these are the simple question. A similar question I am doing more, so you can make your notes, and scholars you can just copy the question and try to do by yourself. You can just consider this like your worksheet. I am giving answers because you are not in touch with your teachers, maybe due to some issues or whatever. Though teachers are trying to get online classes, I am trying to help all teachers, parents, students and tutors. Okay, so here multiply by 5 to make the coefficient of b equal. You can do coefficient of a also equal 3 and 4. So multiplying on subtracting 4 from 3, we got 7 is 28. Simple. Substitute and get your answer. Here this question is little complicated because it is fraction. Whenever you get fraction, children get confused. So fraction also you take LCM 6, or throughout LCM is 6, you can multiply both sides by 6. That is also good idea. Multiply both sides by 6, so these denominators will get removed and you will get the equation 15y minus 2x is equal to 48. And here second equation, again 6 is LCM, so 3y plus 10x is equal to 72. Okay, so now I have kept y here, x here, or you can write in a simpler form. I multiplied equation 1 by 5, so x coefficient became same because it is already 10. I need not to multiply here 2. On adding, because they are having opposite signs, so on adding x will get cancelled, 10x and 10x. I'll get 78 is 312, y equal to 312 upon 78. It is exactly 4 times, y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4, you can substitute in any one equation. So I have substituted in equation 2, 3y, 3 into 4 plus 10x is 72. 10x is 72 minus 12, 10x is 60. You can pause it and you can watch slowly. If you find I am going fast, because many children they complain, sir you go fast, because I want to make small video, so you people love to watch it. Last time factorization became very big, but believe me, it was too huge topic. I completed in one lecture of 45 minutes, but I have covered all the methods. Here also simultaneously I am trying to cover everything. So here we got the value of x 6. Answer is x is equal to 6, y is equal to 4. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share the video link with all the students, parents and teachers. 3 minus x minus 5 is equal to y plus 2. 2 in bracket x plus y is equal to 4 minus 3y. You have to simplify this equation to bring in normal form, like x plus y is 6 and 2x plus 2y, no, we got Yeah, 2x plus 2y is 4 minus 3y. So the final answer is 2x plus 5y is 4 when we simplify it, because the question was in this form. And now this first equation, if we multiply by 2, because 2x and 2y, so I can eliminate any one. Okay, so because it is 5 here, it is here x plus y is equal to 6, and here 2x plus 5y is 4. So I eliminated x this time. I got 3y equal to minus 8, y equal to minus 8 upon 3. So substitute in equation 1. So you will get x minus 8 upon 3 is equal to 6. Or you can write, take LCM or multiplying both sides by 3. I told you we can multiply by LCM both the sides, it becomes easier. So 3x minus 8 is 18, 3x is 26, x is 26 upon 3. You can check your answer for your satisfaction. This one more I got Asas method. Adding, subtraction, addition, substitution. So when you add, you get 94 common everywhere. So you can divide by 94, you get x plus y is 3. As I told you, the equation generally comes x minus y or x plus y when we add or subtract. On subtraction, when you subtract here, this equation comes, this equation gets added. So on addition you got some other equation, on subtraction you will get some other equation. So when I am adding, it has reached up. So on subtraction you will get your answer. Minus 12 plus 12y is minus 12. You can multiply, you can divide by minus 12, so it will become x minus y is 1. Now adding, because it was addition, subtraction, then addition. When you add 3 and 4, 1 gets eliminated and you can get any one, x or y. So 2x is 4, x is 2. Now substitute in equation 3, x plus y is 3, 2 plus y is 3, y is 1. Easy. Many children, they get confused when they see big digit, 93 or 98, 63, 119, because whenever they are in cross, same coefficient, you apply Asas method. I call it Asas. Now we'll go for next method. This is substitution. In some books they have given substitution method first and then they have given your elimination. I have done elimination before, so don't mind. You can fix in your way. Important is understanding. I always tell my students, if you understand one sum, you can do 100 similar sums. There is no need to copy. Please try to do by yourself. These solutions are only for your convenience, so you can check your answers. X plus y is 7, 5x plus 12y is also 7. Now here you can make easily any one subject. Substitution method means you make subject from one equation, any x and y, and substitute in other equation. So I got y equal to 7 minus x, and this I am substituting in equation 2. Please don't substitute in the same equation from where you got. You will not get your answer. It will come 0 or something. Everything will get cancelled. So substitute in equation 2. So 5x and 12y. Y is 7 minus x. When we simplify it, we get x value 11. And now it is normal. Whenever you get x value, you substitute in this form only. Y equal to 7 minus x. So 7 minus 11, which gives you minus 4. So answer is x is equal to 11 and y is equal to 4. Let us do more. 5x plus 4y minus 4 is 0. X minus 20 is 12y. Please first you write in simplified form, or you can write x is equal to 12y minus plus 20. So this is your equation 2, which became easy for x. Whenever you get x and y without coefficient, you should make that subject. Now this x value you can substitute in equation 1. So you get 5 into x value. This value I have substituted here. So you can easily get it. So when you substitute this value, this is the value which I have got. So you can substitute it. And now you open the bracket. So when you open the bracket, you will get 60y plus 100 is plus 4y minus 4. Linear equation, easy linear equation in 6th standard also you must have done. So like terms you add 60 and 64, 64. 60 and 4 is 64y and is equal to 96, and we got y equal to minus 3 upon 2. You substitute in any equation, so I am substituting in this only. X is equal to 12y plus 20, so 12 into y plus 20, it gives me the value 2. You can check your answer for your satisfaction. When we go for next question, 8x plus 5y is 9, 3x plus 2y is 4. So it will be easy. If you find y, 2y is 4 minus 3x, and y is equal to 4 minus 3x upon 2. Now this you can substitute in equation 1. So 8x plus 5 into 4 minus 3x upon 2. You multiply, so it will become 20x minus 15x upon 2. Now you can multiply both sides by 2, as I told you, throughout LCM, or you can take LCM here. So when you multiply both sides by 2, it becomes 16x plus 20 minus 15 is 18. You get the value of x minus 2, 18 minus 20. And when you substitute in this 4 minus 3 into minus 2, it will become plus. So 4 plus 6 upon 2, 10 upon 2, x is equal to 5. Now, when you come here, when you just see here, 3 minus 7x equal to 7 and 11x plus 5y is equal to 87. So here you can make this 3x only subject. So 3x is equal to 7 plus 7y and x is equal to 7 plus 7y upon 3. 7 plus 7y I am keeping in bracket because I was not able to make denominator. I am just simply typing upon 3. So equation 2 is 11x plus 5y is 87. So substitute in this. So when you say 11x, so instead of x I am writing 7 plus 7y upon 3. So when you multiply by 11, it becomes 77 plus 77y upon 3. Now you can multiply both sides by 3. So you will get 77 plus 77y plus 15y is equal to 87 into 3. Your y comes, 92y is 261 minus 77. It is exactly double of this 92. So I got answer y equal to 2. And from equation 1, 7 plus 7y upon 3. So 7 plus 7 into 2 upon 3. So 21 upon 3, answer comes 7. So x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 2. When I go further for this substitution, we are doing more sums, so you get good notes and you can prepare for your test or exams. 2x plus 3y is 8. 2x is equal to 2 minus 3y and x is equal to 2 plus 3y upon 2. So it is plus. 2x is equal to 8 minus 3y. So x is equal to 2 plus 3y upon 2. I seriously don't know how I have done it. Then the question should be 2x minus 3y, because the answer is coming 2 plus 5 and y is equal to 1. Let me check. So 2 into 2.55 and plus 3y is 8, and here second, oh this is the second equation. First equation, so I am sorry I was confused. Second equation is given 2x is equal to 2 plus 3y. Yeah, so we are right. So when you simplify this equation, you get the value of y and substitute it. You can simply do it, it's not a big deal. See here, 2x is given 2 plus 3y, so x is equal to 2 plus 3y upon 2. I am sorry I was confused. Now when we do more sums, it becomes like that only. So it is 23u plus minus 29v is 98, 29u and 23v is 110. Though it is Asas question, but the teacher has given in the form of substitution, so you are helpless to do with substitution. You can't deny. So when the teacher has mentioned you do by substitution, please don't follow your own method, you will be marked 0. So find u equal to 98 plus 29v upon 23. Second equation is this. Substitute in the value of u in second equation. Simplify it. Take LCM 23 or multiply both sides by 23. You get the value of v. 312v equal to 2530 minus 2842. You can pause the video. You can watch the. You can take snapshot also, as I told you before also. You can click the picture. You can make your notes. And v came minus 1. When you substitute minus 1, your answer u comes 3. And you can check it. I am doing more sums, so you get good drill work. Please copy the question and try to do by yourself. Now here, this is simple. 6x is 7y plus 7, and here 7y minus 8 is x. So why should I disturb this equation when I already got the value of x? So x is equal to 7y plus 8. I will substitute in equation 1. So your x is 7y minus 8. So it became 6 into 7y minus 8 equal to 7y plus 7. When you open the brackets, 42y minus 48 is 7y plus 7. 42y minus 7y is 7 plus 48. It's very dry. I cannot tell you jokes and I cannot talk. For that I make other videos. So please be with me and bear with me because I want to do more sums. y equal to 55 upon 35. I am playing my own music. This is mind power music I made, though people could not understand it. Now, so y is equal to 11 upon 7. From 2, 7 into 11 upon 7, 7 gets cancelled. So 11 minus 8 is x, and x is equal to 3. Now, when I go further, here 53a plus 41b is 147. And 41a plus 53b is 135. Again, I am telling you, it is Asas question. You can do it, but the teacher has given with substitution method, so you have to do by substitution. Though this type of question may not come in your exam because the teacher will not set such questions, but I got these questions from some other school worksheets, so I am just using that so the children can be benefited. So here you can apply the same method. 53 is LCM here, or you can multiply both sides by 53 because it comes upon 53. Simplify it and you can get the value of b, though it is coming 1. But the Asas method will be helpful here easily. But this question has been given by the teacher in substitution method. So we got the answer. Now this is the question, actual question. 2x plus 7y is 39, 2x is 39 minus 7y, easy. Substitute the value in this equation. So 3 into the value of x, 39 minus 7y upon 2. This upon 2, I always tell you can multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of this denominator. So 3 into 39 is 117, 3 into 7 is 21y. So when you multiply this side by 2, you get 62 minus 10y. Like terms you add. So minus 10y plus 21, 11y is 55. Y is equal to 55 upon 11, y is equal to 5. And when you substitute this y equal to 5 in any equation, don't substitute in any equation, though I say you substitute in the equation which you found in the form of x or y. So here, so x is equal to 39 minus 7 into 5 upon 2. So 35. So x is equal to 4 upon 2, which gives you 2. So the answer is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. Now will come very important method, and this is for 9th grade, very important. Other 8th grade is not having this. So cross multiplication, first you have to understand the concept, please. So just stop, concentrate, focus and be attentive. Give your 100% to me. See, any equation is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. I have written here for you. For your reference, I have written here. First equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Second equation is a1x plus a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So now the coefficient of x is a, the coefficient of y is b, and the constant is c. So now the formula says x upon b1 b2 c1 c2, y upon c1 c2, this we get repeated, into a1 upon a2, and this is 1 upon, equal to sign, 1 upon this a gets repeated, a1 a2 into b1 b2. Please remember what I am writing. You remember BC, why BC, you can remember before Christ or BC. Okay, ABC. So it starts from B, C, CA, AB. So you can remember ending comes here as it is, this ending comes here as it is, and B. So these sides are matching, B ending B. So BB is ending. Okay. So here AA, here CC. So that way it is, all faces are matching, symmetry like. So they are matching and starting with B, ending with B. Okay, anyways. So write the coefficient of x here in first equation is 3. Second equation is minus 5. Constant is minus 4 and 2. When I come here minus 4 and 2, I repeat for y. And this a1, a2 is 2 and 3. Here 2 and 3 I repeat, and my b1, b2 was already 3 and minus 5. I think this is clear to you. We just arrange the coefficient b1, b2, c1, c2, you need not to write. Because I was doing this first question. So I repeated for you. You need not to do it. You have to do it in simple way. So now we do cross. So 3 into 2 minus 4 into minus 5 into minus 4. So you put minus sign and multiply them in cross. Here minus 4 into 3 in one bracket, minus 2 into 2 in other bracket. Here for 1 upon 2 into minus 5 in one bracket, minus 3 into 3 in another bracket. It's so easy. So x upon 6 minus 20 because it will remain positive, so it will become minus. Y upon minus 12 minus 4 and 1 upon minus 10 minus 9. And then we can compare x to 1 and y to 1. So x upon 6 minus 20, so it becomes x upon minus 14 equal to 1 upon minus 19 because 1 upon minus 19 it comes. So you compare with both, with x also and with y also. When you compare with x, you get the value of x. When you compare with y, you get the value of y. So here x is equal to you got minus 14 upon minus 19, 14 upon 19. Y equal to you get minus 16 upon minus 19, so 16 upon 19. Let us do one more question. Though I have arranged in the same fashion here also A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Write B1, B2 here, B1, B2 ending, then C1, C2, A1, A2, C1, C2 is repeated, A1, A2 is repeated, x upon B1 into C2 and B2 into C1. Don't remember B1, B2 please, you just understand the arrangement. So 1 upon minus 3. So 1 into minus 1 minus 3 into 4, 4 into 5 minus 5 1 into 2, 2 into minus 3 minus 5 into 1. So we get x upon minus 1 plus 12 because it is minus 2 times. When it comes even times we make plus, odd times we make negative. Here even times are plus. So 20 plus 2. Here minus 6 minus 5. So x upon 11 and then I got equate to 1 upon minus 11. So x upon 11 is 1 upon minus 11. So x is equal to 11 upon minus 11 gives you x is equal to minus 1. I am playing mind power music for you for concentration. You can just listen this music. This is another video I made for you, mind power music. So this is for concentration. Whenever you are diverted, you cannot focus, you can watch this and you can listen this music while studying also. Then y upon 22 is 1 upon minus 11. So y equal to 22 upon minus 11, y equal to minus 2. This is my own research because it gives me peace, so I hope it varies person to person. So x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 2. We got the answer, you can check it. When I come to this one more question I am doing, so you will be thorough with the topic. 5 and 1 is A1, A2. 4 and minus 12 is B1, B2. Minus 4 and minus 20 is C1, C2. Please arrange them B1, B2, C1, C2, C1, C2, A1, A2, A1, A2, B1, B2. Cross multiplication, so x upon minus 80 plus minus 80 minus 48 and then here minus 4 into and then here 4 into 12 and then we got the answer. So what I have written here, have I copied some other question? Yeah. So this I have copied some other questions, so you have to bear with me here. So you will get 4 into minus 20. Do you have understood? And then minus 20 and minus 12, this I copied the previous question only, and minus 4. When I come here, it is minus 4 into 1. So minus 4 into 1, I hope you can do it. Can I leave for you? Because it will take another very much time. So but just I am arranging them. And then here you will get minus 20, I'm sorry, into 5. This is the drawback of copy paste. Okay, and here you will get, if I have arranged properly, yes, 5 and 1. So 5 into minus 12. So it is 5 into minus 12. And then here you will get 1 into minus 1 into 4. Okay. So now you can solve them easily. So x upon, here you will get minus 80. Minus 80. And here you will get minus only. Minus 80 minus 48. I hope you can do. And here you will get minus 4. So I am not getting rid of this, but I am sure you can do. 25 is 100, and here you will get 1 upon minus 60 and minus 4. Please get it. So it will delay us. So I am just leaving this. Okay, so let me do one thing. Otherwise some children will get confused and they may copy this. So let me delete this part. Otherwise you will be confused. Anyways, so you can, this is like homework for you. Now these are miscellaneous problems. Here in miscellaneous problem you can apply any method. There the teacher had mentioned the method. Here the teacher will not mention the method. So any method you can apply. 7 upon 2x plus 2y equal to 5. 35 upon 2x plus 12y is 25. Since this is 7 upon 2x and this is 35 upon 2x. So what I have done, I multiplied this equation by 5, so it became 35 upon. So 35 upon 2x and 35 upon 2x got cancelled. I got 10y plus 12 minus 12y minus 2y is 0 and y came 0. And then 7 upon 2x plus 2 into 0 is 5, so I got the value of x, 10 upon 7. Please make a note, x is separate. Okay, so you should not be confused. I can put in bracket if you want. So it is 7 upon 2 this way. Okay, so now you will understand what I want to say. That way it is. Now here this is given in decimal, though you may not get decimal type, but if comes then you can give the answer in decimal or fraction. 0.5x minus 0.2y is minus 1. 3x plus 0.4y is minus 1. So 4y and 2 is matching, so I can multiply simply by 2. I got 4 cancelled, y cancelled, sorry. So I got 4x is minus 3, x is minus 3 upon 4. You can write 0.75 negative, and when you substitute you get the answer in decimal form only, y equal to 3.125. I am ending now. So this you can easily do. This is 9 upon x minus 4 upon y. Such questions please don't take LCM. You can assume 1 upon x as m and 1 upon y is n, or you can write a. So it will become 9a minus 4b is 8. 13a plus 7b is 101. You can assume 1 upon x as a and 1 upon y as b. So you got simple equation, 9a plus 4 minus 4b is 8. 13a plus 7b is 101. You can eliminate b variable. So you multiply by 7 and 4. 7 here, 4 here, so you get b eliminated. Okay, and you get 115, a is 480, and then you can get your answer easily. Here you can draw the line, because otherwise you will feel sir has not drawn the line, so I am drawing for you. You can draw the line for your understanding. So I have on addition, signs are not changed, and we got the value of a. Now a is 4 and a we assumed 1 upon x. So 1 upon x is 4, so x is equal to 1 upon 4. Now substitute the value of a in this a type of equation only, 3. So it will be 9 into 4 minus 4b is 8. I got the value of b 7, and b was 1 upon y. So 1 upon y is 7, y is 1 upon 7. So answer came x is equal to 1 upon 4, y is equal to 1 upon 7. Such questions are really good because they are of your level, and such question may be asked. Now 12x plus x minus y upon 6 is equal to 2. So I can make equation 13x minus y is equal to 12, because I multiply this denominator here. I am taken in bracket so you can understand. Second equation is also in bracket. I seriously don't know. This has been given so the children can simplify and get the answer. So this is normal question. Only you have to simplify the equation. Here one is given x and one is given upon y. So this upon y can also be done easily. You can multiply this equation by 2, so it will become 8 upon y, and you can eliminate this. But I have eliminated x, so I multiply this equation by 3 and the second equation by 5. So I made x coefficient same. I cancelled this on subtraction, and I got 44y is 22, and I got the value of y 2. And when I substitute this value y in equation 1, I get 5x plus 8 upon y, 8 upon 2 is 19. I got the answer x is equal to 3. It was easy, but you have to do more drill work. 4x plus 3 upon y, just now I did one question. You can eliminate this y here. There I eliminated x, if you remember. Here I eliminated x, here I am eliminating y, so you understand this method as well, because it is matching here 3 upon y, 6 upon y. So I can multiply this equation by 2, so it will become 6 upon y. This will become 18 and this will become 8x. So 8x plus 6 upon y, and this equal to 18. And here also you can draw a line, because in your notebook line is already there, I have to draw. And then you get, this gets cancelled. So this you can cancel, y and 5x is, your 5x comes, your 10, and then you can get your answer. This you can cancel. So the x is 2 and you can substitute and get your other answer. Simple it was. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your contacts for a social cause. Please help the society. I am taking a lot time to make these videos, so it should not go in waste. Thank you very much. May God bless.